All right, welcome to part two of 2.13, equivalent equations and fraction busters. So two equations are equivalent if all of their solutions are the same. There are several ways to change one equation into a different equivalent equation. Common ways include adding the same number to both sides, subtracting the same number from both sides, multiplying both sides by the same number, dividing both sides by the same number, non-zero number, and rewriting one or both sides of the equation. Remember, rewriting could be like using the derivative property, or even like getting rid of fractions is considered rewriting. So here it says, for example, the equations below are equivalent to 2x plus 1 equals 3. So let's first solve that equation. I'm going to do it right here quickly. So first I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. That leaves me with 2x equals positive 2. And then x equals, divide both sides by 2. So therefore x equals 1. So that's the same solution for all our equations. So again, if I plug in 1 here, right, I'm supposed to get 30. That's supposed to make it true. So 20 times 1 is 20, and then plus 10, that's the same as 30. So we check off. So again, that means that these two are equivalent equations because they provide a solution to the same to the equation. Now, if you guys notice here in this case, we're noticing that what's different between the original equation, what they do to both sides in order to get 20x plus 10 equals 30. So here what they did was they multiplied both sides by 10, right? So if you got 2x plus 1 equals 30, and then you multiply both sides by 10, I'm sorry, equals 3, not 30, equals 3 on this one. Multiply both sides by 10, so you get the same thing, 20x plus 10 equals 30, which is again that one. All right, on example 2, you have 2 times quantity x plus 0.5 equals 3. So here, instead of either multiplying or dividing or doing any operation, you actually want to just rewrite the equation by using the distributive property. So let's see if we go back to 2x plus 1. So we're going to distribute the 2 times x gives me 2x. 2 times 1 half would be just half of 2, which is positive 1. And then there's nothing else on the right side, so it's just equal to 3. So again, we get the same equation as we have right there by rewriting. And then finally here we have 0.002x plus 0.001 equals 0.003. So remember, whenever you see a decimal, if you remember in which place this one is, which is in the thousands place, this is the same as 2 over 1,000 times x plus this one again is in the 1 is in the 1,000s. So that's 1 over 1,000 equals 0.003. Again, the 3 is in the 1,000, so this would be 3 over 1,000. So if I multiply, in this case, if I multiply both sides of the equation by 1,000, that's going to eliminate all the denominators that I have here. That's going to leave me with 2x plus 1 equals 3, which is the same. So again, we have another equivalent equation, and all these three are the same.